This is Páramo's new Aspira 360 Expedition Smock that uses recycled Páramo garments and waste from the textile industry. It represents a bold new effort by the award-winning British brand to reduce its carbon footprint and set a standard for other brands to follow too. But can it perform on a cold and wet day in the Lake District? I've been putting it to the test to find out. This year has seen the return of our Greener Gear Guide, where we look at gear innovations that are leading the way towards creating a more sustainable outdoor industry. And this smock was a total shoo-in. It's the embodiment of a new vision by Páramo to close the loop, creating a manufacturing model that doesn't rely on the creation of new materials and the usage of non-renewables. First of all, it's a smock that's made partially from recycled materials, using old Páramo garments and leftover fabrics from other textile goods to produce the pump liner. It's also highly durable, so the chances of the smock getting damaged are minimal. However, if the fabric does get ripped, it's designed so that individuals can make easy repairs themselves, simply with a needle and thread, or you can send it to Páramo's workshop where it can be repaired at a fair price. If the Aspira or any other Páramo product ever becomes unwanted or is beyond repair, the brand will take it back and either find a new home or they'll recycle it into new fabric. They'll also reward you for returning it with a £50 discount on new Páramo products. Now, the Aspira might not be made fully from recycled materials just yet, but Páramo are at the start of a circular process that will eventually lead to many more of their garments being made from other Páramo garments and from waste within the textile industry. This is important because while lots of brands use recycled material these days, most of it comes from recycled PET chip from the packaging industry, which needs to be closing its own loop, not producing more and more plastic to feed into the recycling schemes of other industries. Right, onto the actual performance side of things. So those who already use Páramo will know that they do wet weather protection differently. Páramo waterproofs are made from Nikwax analogy, a unique membrane-free fabric that mimics the action of animal fur to protect you from rain and manage your sweat. Its innovative two-layer construction and waterproofing treatment repels rain, moves moisture away from your skin, and traps still air to protect your insulation. Expect true breathability and internal humidity control, and a fast drying time too. The Aspira is designed as a smock for people who are out in extreme weather for long spells, conditions that are not only wet but also cold, with heavyweight fabric that blocks out harsh wind chill and a fit that will accommodate extra insulating layers underneath. I'm 5'10" and have got this in a medium, my usual size, and it fits perfectly. I've tried a lot of Páramo garments and their medium always works for me. You can really refine the fit too though, with adjustment not just at the hem but also at the waist, and you've got a hood that can be worn over the top of a helmet or cinched right down for storm protection. Okay, it might be designed for cold conditions, but there are also lots of ventilation points for when you need to dump heat too, including on the upper arms, cuffs, and right across the torso. I feel like I keep discovering new pockets on this thing. There are 5 altogether, including hand warmers, this huge one across the front that's perfect for keeping a map or gloves within easy reach, and there are also these 2 small Velcro ones on the chest that I found to be great for small items, particularly a compass and head torch. There's one more large tube-shaped zip pocket on the inside too. All in all then, it's a high-performance, highly functional jacket that's ideal for tricky winter conditions. On top of that, the 360 approach the Aspira showcases is a big step that marks a lot of progress for the brand. It's going to be very interesting seeing this develop and expand in the next few years.